Pour this into a bowl. This solution will make cleaning around the house more enjoyable than ever before. Start by taking a bowl and measuring about 1 liter of water. Pour the water into the bowl, then add a small amount of shampoo. Besides washing hair, shampoo has many practical uses around the home. Grab your favorite cleaning cloth, ideally one made of microfiber. Mix everything well and squeeze out the excess water. Now start cleaning the glass with it, making sure not to miss any spots. Shampoo helps dissolve grease and dirt, leaving surfaces shiny and streak-free. Take another microfiber cloth and gently polish the window. This trick will give you a stunning result. The difference is visible at first glance. Use this mixture to clean makeup brushes too. Pour the prepared solution into a small bowl and let the brushes soak for 5 minutes for easier cleaning. Shampoo effectively removes makeup residue, leaving brushes looking like new.